Hey everyone, Scott J. from Crucible Custom Props, Norfolk's Lab, and all the forums here. So today we have another Han Solo blaster. This one is a Return of the Jedi on an MGC. So we have a real MGC, vintage MGC, with a Blaster Factory kit with the Elite, the newer Elite scope. And this is the first, for me, a correct Delrin flash hider, which is great. So it's super accurate. But here it is. I did not use the template style little add-on things. I went ahead and milled the details like they're supposed to be. The weathering is coming off much brighter than it does in your your eyes on the camera. It doesn't really stand out quite that easily in real life for some reason, but it looks quite noticeable here on the camera. Well, in any case, this is it. So we have the new Elite scope with the cap, the seam line, the little mold line. We have the slotted screw up front. Got the double scope mounts. The back one's cut off. We got the greeblies screwed in. And the sight set up like it always is in all the promo shots and everything. And a little square weirdo greebly down there. MGC retains all its function. In fact, because of the screws going in and everything, the mount screws, the follower is not in there. And you can pull this back all the time without it getting caught on the follower. If you want, everything works as it should. I just wanted to show that off. Pretty cool. And we left the brown grips. But this is it. Pretty straightforward. Super cool. The Return of the Jedis are easily one of my favorites now, just because they got so much screen action and they're kind of ugly. They're kind of ugly in a really cool way, you know. But once you pick one up and you kind of hold it, it feels good and it looks cool in your hand. Yeah, it's one of my favorite variants. Each one has its own charm, but I think Return of the Jedi has really grown on me over the years. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Pretty short video, but there's not really much else to really say about it. The Blaster Factory kit's great, especially with the new scope. The flash hider looks really good. It wears easy. It'll keep wearing. If you put it in a holster or something like that, it's going to wear even a little bit more. The only thing is, the original Delrin scopes had machine marks in them, and this is very well machined, so it doesn't have those in there. But other than that, it's pretty much exactly the same as the screen used ones. But so that's it. All right, thanks for watching.